हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। चैप्टर 3 डाटा हैंडलिंग आपकी सुविधा के लिए नीचे मेरा नंबर दिया गया है। आप अपनी क्वेरीज को इस नंबर पे पूछ सकते हैं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का चैप्टर। स्टूडेंट्स, यूज फॉर अ बार ग्राफ विथ अ डिफरेंट पर्पस। We have seen last year how information collected could be first arranged in the frequency distribution table, and then this information could be put as a visual representation in the form of the pictographs or a bar graphs. You can look at the bar graphs and make deductions about the data. You can also get information based on this bar graph. For example, you can say that the mod is the longest bar if the bar represented the frequency. Choosing a scale. We know that a bar graph is representation of the numbers using bars of uniform width, and the length of the bar depend upon the frequency and the scale you have chosen. For example, in the bar graph where number is units are to be shown in the graph represent on the unit length for one observation, and if it has to show numbers in the tens or hundreds, one unit's length can represent 10 or 100 observation. Consider the following example. Now students, let's start our exercise 3.3. Use the bar graph figure 3.3 to answer the following question. First, which is the most popular pet and how many children have dog as a pet? स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें आपको एक बार ग्राफ दिखाया गया है जिसमें जो है पेट्स में के नेम है और उसके पसंद करने वाले स्टूडेंट्स हैं। फर्स्ट, डॉग की संख्या 8, कैट्स की संख्या 10, रैबिट की संख्या 2 और hamsters की संख्या जो है 4, 5 एंड अदर की संख्या आपकी 3 है। तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग इसमें पूछा गया है इस बार ग्राफ को देख करके कि सबसे पॉपुलर पेट कौन सा है। तो देखने में इस ग्राफ के बेस पर लग रहा है कि सबसे पॉपुलर पेट कैट्स है। और सिंस द बार रिप्रेजेंटिंग कैट इज द टॉलेस्ट, कैट इज द मोस्ट पॉपुलर पेट। दूसरे क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन हैव डॉग एज अ पेट। तो डॉग्स कितने के पास है? देयर आर द 8। द नंबर ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन हैविंग डॉग एज अ पेट आर 8। Next, read the bar graph figure 3.4 and answer the question that follow. Number of the books should be the bookseller during the 5 consecutive years. First, about how many books were sold in 1989, 1990 and 1992. तो सभी ईयर के इसमें जो है यहाँ पर 1 सेंटीमीटर दैट इज इक्वल टू 100 बुक्स। सो हियर इज द इन 1989 approx लगभग 200, 1990 approx 500 and 1991 300, 1992 is 200 and 1993 is 600. So in 1989 and 175 books, here is books were sold. In 1919 475 books were sold. In 1992 225 books were sold. Second, in which year were about 475 books sold, about 225 books sold? तो पूछा गया है फ्रॉम द ग्राफ इट कैन बी कंक्लूड दैट 475 books were sold in the year 1990 and 225 books were sold in your 1992. Third, from a graph it can be concluded that in the year 1989 and 1992 the number of the books sold were less than 250. And fourth कहता है can you explain how you would estimate the number of the books sold in 1989? तो यहाँ पर हम फोर्थ में कह सकते हैं फ्रॉम द ग्राफ इट कैन बी कंक्लूड दैट द नंबर ऑफ द बुक्स सोल्ड इन ईयर 1989 इज अबाउट 1 and 3/4 part of 1 centimeter. So we can know that the scale is taken 1 centimeter is 100 books. So 100 plus 3 upon 4 into 100 that is equal to 100 plus 75. So total is equal to 175. Therefore about 175 books were sold in year 1989. Third, the number of the children in 6 different classes are given below represent the data on the bar graph. So here is the number of the children in 6 different classes are given below. Represent the data on the bar graph. Class दिया गया है 5th में 135, 6th में 120, 7th में 95, 8th में 100, 9th में 90 and 10th में 80. So how would you choose a scale? Answer the following question, and which class has a maximum number of children and the minimum? Find the ratio of the students of the class 6 to the student of the class 8th. So here is a bar graph. So how would you choose the scale? The scale is 1 centimeter equal to 10 children. Answer the following question के आंसर देना है. Which class has a maximum number of the children and minimum? तो maximum number of the children in class 5th and minimum number of children in class 10th. Find the ratio of the student of the class 6th and student of 8th. तो 6th और 8th का रेशियो 6 का रेशियो 120 and 8th का रेशियो is 100. So the answer is 120 upon 100, 6 upon 5, 6 ratio 5. Now students, question number 4. The performance of students in first term and second term is given. Draw the double bar graph, choosing appropriate scale and answer the following. In which subject has the child improved this the performance the most? In which subject is the improvement the least? And has the performance gone down in any subject? So first scale is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 10 marks, and a dark yellow is a first term and the light yellow is second term. बार ग्राफ दिया गया है, कहा गया है इन विच सब्जेक्ट इंप्रूव परफॉर्मेंस मोस्ट, सबसे ज्यादा परफॉर्मेंस किस सब्जेक्ट में हुई? तो देयर वाज मैक्सिमम इंक्रीज इन द मार्क्स ऑब्टेन इन मैथ, देयरफॉर द चाइल्ड हैज इंप्रूव हिज परफॉर्मेंस इन द मोस्ट मैथ, सबसे ज्यादा परफॉर्मेंस जो है इसमें मैथ में हुई, स्पष्ट दिखाई दे रहा है. इन विच सब्जेक्ट इज द इंप्रूवमेंट इज लीस्ट, सबसे कम इंप्रूवमेंट किसमें हुआ? फ्रॉम द ग्राफ इट कैन बी कंक्लूड दैट द इंप्रूवमेंट वाज द लीस्ट इन अ सोशल साइंस. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हमने देखा कि सोशल साइंस में सबसे कम इंप्रूवमेंट हुआ. हैज द परफॉर्मेंस गॉन डाउन इन एनी सब्जेक्ट, किसी में ऐसा हुआ है कि परफॉर्मेंस जो है डाउन हुआ है? तो आपका आंसर है कि फ्रॉम द ग्राफ इट कैन बी ऑब्जर्व दैट परफॉर्मेंस इन हिंदी हैज गॉन डाउन, यानी कि हिंदी की परफॉर्मेंस जो है गिरी है, बाकी सबकी परफॉर्मेंस जो है इसमें इंप्रूव हुई है. Now question number 5. Consider this data collect from the survey of the colony. Favorite sport, cricket, basketball, swimming, hockey, athlete, and watching and participating. तो कितने लोग watching वाले हैं, कितने participating वाले हैं? क्वेश्चन कह रहा है draw the double bar graph choosing appropriate scale. What do you infer from the bar graph? Which sport is most popular and which is most preferred? Watching or practicing participating in sports. Now here is the scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 100 people, and here is the light purple is the watching and dark brown is the participating. This is the double bar graph. The double bar graph represented the number of the people who like watching and participating in different sports. It can be observed that most of the people like the watching and participating in cricket, while the least number of people like watching and participate in athlete. तो एथलीट्स में सबसे कम लोग इंटरेस्टेड हैं और क्रिकेट में सबसे ज्यादा लोग देखने वाले और पार्टिसिपेट करने वाले हैं. सेकेंड, from the bar graph it can be observed that the bar representing the number of the people who like watching and participating in cricket is the tallest among all the bars, hence the cricket is the most popular sport. तो इससे देखने से मालूम चलता है कि क्रिकेट जो है सबसे ज्यादा पॉपुलर स्पोर्ट है. The bar representing watching sports are longer than the bar representing participating in sports. Hence, watching different type of the sports is more preferred than participating in the sports. Next, question number 6. Take the data given in the minimum and the maximum temperature of the favorite cities given in the beginning of the chapters. Table 3.1 plot a double bar graph using the. Now students, here is the first cities दिया गया है. मैक्सिमम मिनिमम टेम्परेचर अहमदाबाद, अमृतसर, बेंगलोर, चेन्नई, दिल्ली, जयपुर, जम्मू, मुंबई. The maximum temperature are given, minimum temperature are given. First question, which city has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature on the given data? तो here दिखा है from the graph it can be conclude that Jammu has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature on the date 26 2006. Now the second question, which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city? So now according to this bar graph, from the graph it can be concluded that Jammu is the hottest city and Bengaluru is the coldest city. Now students, third question, name two cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the other. So here is third, Bengaluru and Jaipur, Bengaluru and Ahmedabad. For Bengaluru, the maximum temperature was 28 degrees centigrade, while the minimum temperature of the both cities, Ahmedabad and Jaipur, was 29 degrees centigrade. Now, next question 4. Name the city which has the least difference between its minimum and the maximum temperature. Now from the graph it can be concluded that the city which has the least difference between its minimum and maximum temperature is Mumbai. So here is a graph, here is the purple and blue color. Here purple is the maximum temperature, blue color is the minimum temperature. Scale 1 centimeter is equal to 10 degrees centigrade. Here is the vertical line temperature and here horizontal line, this is a cities. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स फॉर वाचिंग माय वीडियो। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, आपने बड़े ध्यान से हमारे इस वीडियो को देखा, इसके लिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। बी हैप्पी।